Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter in a Mazda CX-30. Gather a new cabin air filter, a Phillips screwdriver, and your owner's manual. Park safely and remove the glove box to reach the filter housing. Pull out the old filter, noting the airflow arrow, then insert the new filter with the arrow pointing the same way. Reinstall the glove box and test the fan for proper airflow. We'll cover the exact tools and parts you need to replace the filter quickly and cleanly. You only need a replacement cabin air filter matched to Mazda CX-30, a Phillips screwdriver, and gloves if preferred. Optional items include a vacuum and a soft cloth to clean the housing. We'll walk through the removal steps, show how to inspect the old filter for debris, and explain how to orient the new filter correctly for best airflow and filtration. Step 1. Open the glove box and lower it by releasing the side stops so you can access the filter housing. Step 2. Remove the housing cover by undoing tabs or screws and slide out the old filter. Inspect it for debris and odors, then insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing correctly. Reattach the cover, raise the glove box back into place, and test the HVAC for proper airflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.